In the last video, I talked about what are the things required to build a SaaS MVP in 1 week and how it is possible. Now I am going to build a 7-day series where I will be covering each day about the process to build a SaaS MVP. I am solving my own problem, that is scratching your own itch. Now, this is the day 1 of 7-day series of SaaS MVP. Today I have laid out plans where I have covered what, why and how to do the SaaS MVP. With what I mean, what I am going to build, with why I am going to build, and how I am going to build it. So let's move on to the plan. This is the plan. Lead magnet email automation. This is what I am going to build. See, as creators out there who are building on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, or any social media platform, those are rented social media platform. And if you want to own your audience, you have to build a email audience. Now, there are many tools out there in the market, but let me tell you, they are very costly and they come with a lot of bundles. But when I'm starting as a creator, I don't need a lot of bundle. What I need is a very simple and flexible solution which I can pay per use. That's what the model I want for myself. That's why I'm building this. See, the current solution either give access to transactional email like Zoho mails or other mails, but for email you have to sign up to other vendors. You can say and you can argue that recent API is there. The problem with that recent API is it is costly, and if you want to build automation, you have to do it manually via API calls. In the platform, the automation is not supported. So I have researched and I have come across a tool which is UsePlunk, which is an open source alternative to all the email sending tool. And in recent, you have to categorize transactional and marketing emails. In UsePlunk, there is no such thing as transactional email marketing or marketing emails. You pay for each email you send, and that is very cheap. And that is only after you have crossed a particular limit of 3,000 emails per month. I have compared the pricing of other platforms for your reference. I have prepared some images. You can see Kit. It provides one basic visual automation, one email sequences. For $25 per month plan, it is giving us unlimited visual automations, unlimited email sequence, and then allowing us to remove Kit branding. But if you see, there is no such thing mentioned as analytics. How many people have come to my platform? How many people have visited the lead magnet page and sign up for the email at what time from which platform? Those analytics are not there. Let's come to our next platform, that is Beehive. Beehive only allows free plan up to 2,500 subscribers only. Kit was giving us 10,000 subscribers. Beehive is giving us less. And it gives email automations and analytics on $43 per month plan only, and that is up to 1,000 subscribers only. So price increases as the subscriber count increases. You can see this is very complex. This is for the creators who are very professional. But if you are the one who is starting out, for example, I signed up to your email lead magnet and you want to send me customized 7-day email based on my lead magnet, you cannot do in the platforms I mentioned. But with Plunk, you can do it. It allows unlimited automated emails per month, unlimited transactional emails, unlimited campaign emails, unlimited contacts, no Plunk branding. If you read the tagline better, no nonsense pricing that doesn't sub. So pay as you go, pay for what you send. That's it. If you are starting out, you can use their free tier as well. You have to use their own branding. And if you skip all this and if you want to host it on your own, you can self host it. So this is how beneficial it is. Now, let's come to our plan, the approach which I am going to win. Say, I will be using UsePlunk's API key build platform on top of it and build custom features for lead magnets. For lead magnets, I need a page, I need an event which sends trigger, and I need to track analytics. So these are the features which I have mentioned here. So form builder for lead packets, track analytics for each page, dashboard to manage forms and analytics. Dashboard is where you will give settings, API keys, mention the default triggers, as well as you will build your form for the lead magnets. Now come how exactly. That is where MVP comes in. So for an MVP, I have categorized the important things I need, and that is landing page, authentication, payments, database, and the app itself and the dashboard. For landing page, my whole application will be in Next.js. Landing page will also be in Next.js. For authentication, I will use BetterAuth SDK with email and Google sign-in only. For payments, I will use Polar with BetterAuth. And for database, I will use Postgres with Drizzle ORM. This is my tech stack, and I have already a boilerplate code which I have customized for myself, which has authentication, payments, and a database of Postgres with Drizzle ORM. What I need to do today is build a basic landing page and test out these 4 items. After I have done all the 4, on the second day, I will be thinking about the core app itself, and that is I will build an analytics page. But before building analytics, I will be building the dashboard where I will set up API keys, default triggers, and the lead magnet form builder. So whatever resources you have, either PDF or the drive or something like that, you can set up a URL, you can set up a email template if you want, or you can set up in the UsePlunk itself. And I will set it up the basic dashboard. Whenever someone comes into your lead magnet form, it tracks from which website it has come. It because the lead magnet you will link it to some website, and from there they will come. You know from which channel at what time and which region they are coming from. This is what this lead magnet will store. Once they sign up, you can trigger events, and that email automation setup can be done in UsePlunk. I will also list some of the UsePlunk setups. And after that, the app core. I will set up how to use analytics, how to show context information from the UsePlunk's API key, and how I can use it. So this is the MVP I will be building in 1 week itself, and this is the whole plan. Let's see how things roll out, and see you in the next video.